Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub. In this chapter, we delve into the remarkable potential of medicinal plant agribusiness. As global interest in natural remedies and sustainable agriculture grows, this sector offers exciting new avenues for innovation and profit. We will explore the emerging trends, key benefits, and opportunities that make medicinal plants a promising focus for modern agribusiness. Join us as we set the stage for a deeper understanding of this dynamic and rapidly evolving industry. The global demand for medicinal plants has surged in recent years, driven by growing interest in natural remedies and alternative medicine. This trend is influencing modern agriculture, as farmers around the world are dedicating more land to cultivating these valuable crops. The health industry is also evolving, with pharmaceutical companies increasingly incorporating plant-based ingredients into their products. As a result, medicinal plants are playing a crucial role in both economic development and advancements in healthcare. Their popularity continues to shape the way we approach wellness and sustainable agriculture. Medicinal plants offer a unique opportunity for growers seeking profitable crops. Some of the most lucrative options include ginseng, valued for its use in traditional medicine and supplements, and lavender, prized for its essential oils and calming properties. Echinacea is another popular choice, often used to support immune health and sold in various forms. The market value of these plants can be significant, especially when grown organically or processed into high-demand products. Understanding their uses and market trends can help cultivators maximize their returns. Starting a medicinal plant agribusiness begins with careful crop selection, focusing on species that are in demand and well-suited to your region. It's important to research the specific soil and climate conditions each plant requires, as these factors greatly influence growth and yield. Assess the quality of your land, considering aspects like pH, drainage, and fertility. Additionally, understanding local climate patterns, such as temperature ranges and rainfall, will help you choose crops that can thrive. By aligning your choices with both market needs and environmental suitability, you lay a strong foundation for a successful venture. Navigating the legal and certification requirements for growing and selling medicinal plants is essential for success in both domestic and international markets. Regulations can vary significantly by country, often covering aspects such as cultivation practices, quality control, and approved plant species. Certification programs like Good Agricultural and Collection Practices or organic labeling may be required to ensure product safety and traceability. Exporting medicinal plants typically involves additional documentation, including phytosanitary certificates and compliance with international treaties. Staying informed about these requirements helps producers avoid legal issues and gain access to broader markets. In the medicinal plant industry, value-added opportunities play a crucial role in enhancing profitability. By investing in processing, raw plants can be transformed into extracts, powders, or oils, which often command higher market prices. Packaging is another key factor, as attractive and functional packaging can improve shelf life and appeal to consumers. Branding helps differentiate products in a competitive market, building trust and recognition among buyers. Together, these strategies enable producers to move beyond basic cultivation, capturing greater value at each stage of the supply chain. Building a robust supply chain begins with establishing reliable partnerships. Networking with buyers, exporters, and pharmaceutical companies can open doors to new opportunities and markets. It's important to maintain clear communication and transparent processes to foster trust among all parties involved. Leveraging technology for inventory management and tracking can further enhance efficiency. Regularly reviewing and optimizing your supply chain ensures it remains resilient and adaptable to changing demands. Across the globe, many entrepreneurs have transformed their passion for medicinal plants into flourishing businesses. These innovators often begin with a deep respect for traditional knowledge, blending it with modern practices to create unique products and services. From small family-run herbal farms to internationally recognized wellness brands, Their journeys highlight resilience, creativity, and a commitment to sustainability. Their stories not only inspire others to explore the potential of medicinal plants, but also demonstrate the positive impact these ventures can have on local communities and the environment. Medicinal plant agribusiness faces several common challenges, including inconsistent crop yields, pest and disease outbreaks, and fluctuating market demand. Farmers often struggle with limited access to quality seeds and reliable information on cultivation techniques. To address these issues, adopting integrated pest management, investing in training programs, and forming cooperatives can help improve productivity and resilience. Establishing direct links with buyers and exploring value-added processing also enhance profitability. By implementing these practical strategies, stakeholders can navigate the complexities of the medicinal plant industry more effectively. This chapter has explored the essential aspects of entering the medicinal plant agribusiness, from understanding market trends to recognizing the importance of sustainable cultivation practices. Key takeaways include the growing global demand for natural remedies, the potential for high profitability, and the need for compliance with quality standards. New entrants can look forward to exciting opportunities in niche markets, value-added product development, and international trade. With careful planning and innovation, aspiring entrepreneurs can carve out a successful path in this dynamic and rewarding sector. In the next chapter, we will explore advanced cultivation techniques that can help you optimize the growth and quality of medicinal plants. We'll also delve into effective business strategies designed to support and expand your medicinal plant enterprise. Join us as we uncover practical insights and expert guidance to take your cultivation and business skills to the next level.